Everyone wants to be successful, right? We all dream of changing our lives for the better. But here's a hard truth. Most people fail, not because success is impossible, but because they fall into a trap. They think big results demand huge, heroic actions. They wait for that perfect day, the flawless plan, the golden opportunity, and while they wait, their dreams just fade away. But what if I told you that the secret to success isn't about giant leaps, but about tiny, almost invisible steps? What if a simple 1% improvement each day could completely transform your life? Let me tell you a story that proves it, a story about a boy named Ahmed. Ahmed was, by all accounts, an ordinary student. He was average in his studies, average in sports, average in just about everything. Whenever he looked at his friends, he felt small. They scored better, spoke with more confidence, and just seemed to have it all figured out. Ahmed tried to change. He really did. But the immense pressure of becoming perfect overnight always crushed him. He'd study like a maniac for a week, then burn out and give up. He'd join the gym, full of motivation, only to quit after 10 days. He tried waking up early but snoozed the alarm after day 3. Every single time he failed, a voice in his head would whisper, "Maybe I'm just not good enough." And slowly, tragically, he started to believe he was destined to be average forever. One sunny afternoon, Ahmed found his grandfather in the courtyard, quietly polishing an old wooden chair. It was a slow, methodical process. Ahmed, a bit puzzled, asked, "Grandfather, why are you spending so much time on this old chair? It's never going to look brand new again." His grandfather paused, a gentle smile on his face. He looked at Ahmed and said, "Do you see these tiny strokes of polish? Each one looks small, insignificant, but every single stroke is adding a little bit of shine. Slowly, with patience, this old chair will start to glow again." Ahmed was still confused. His grandfather continued, his voice soft but firm. "Life is a lot like this chair, my child. You don't need to fix it or change it all at once. Just focus on adding a little shine every single day, one small stroke at a time. That, my boy, is the real secret of transformation." Those words hit Ahmed like a bolt of lightning. One stroke at a time, a little shine every day. He decided to try this 1% rule in his own life. Instead of trying to force himself to study for 3 grueling hours, he started with just 15 minutes. That's it. And every day he added only 5 more minutes to his session. Instead of dreaming of running a 5K, he started with something he knew he could do: 5 push-ups. Then he added just 1 more each day. Instead of getting overwhelmed trying to become fluent in English overnight, he committed to learning just 5 new words a day. At first, the progress was invisible. So small, no one noticed. Even Ahmed himself sometimes felt like nothing was happening. It was frustrating. But he remembered his grandfather's words and kept going. After 30 days, something amazing had happened. His 15 minutes of study had naturally grown into 2 hours. His 5 push-ups had become 50 strong ones. And his vocabulary, it had grown by 150 new words. But the most important change was one he felt deep inside. His confidence was beginning to shine. Months flew by. Ahmed didn't magically become a genius overnight. But slowly, steadily, his classmates started to notice the change. He was answering more questions in class, his points were sharper. They saw him on the sports field, and his body looked stronger, healthier. When he spoke, there was a new clarity, a new confidence in his words that wasn't there before. Then came the day of the school's annual debate competition. When Ahmed not only participated, but stood first, everyone was stunned. His teachers, who once saw him as just an average student, pulled him aside. "Ahmed," they asked, "how did you change so much? What's your secret?" Ahmed just smiled, a calm, knowing smile. "I didn't change all at once," he said. "I just focused on getting 1% better every single day." This is the hidden truth of success that so many of us miss. You don't need giant, earth-shattering leaps. You need tiny, consistent steps. A 1% improvement might seem like nothing today, but it compounds. Do you know what 1% better every day means over a year? It means you become over 37 times better. Think about that. If you read just 10 pages a day, in 1 year you'll have finished 12 to 15 books. That's more than most people read in a decade. If you save just $1 a day, in a year you'll have built a saving habit that's stronger and more sustainable than someone who's waiting for a big paycheck to start saving. Success is not a game of intensity. It's a game of consistency. Small actions, repeated daily, create an unstoppable momentum that will carry you toward your goals. So, if you're feeling stuck right now, if you feel average or overwhelmed, I want you to remember Ahmed's story. Don't try to change your entire life in one day. It's a recipe for burnout. Instead, ask yourself this one simple question. What is one small thing I can do today that will make me 1% better? Maybe it's drinking one more glass of water. Maybe it's reading one page of a book. Maybe it's doing one push-up. Whatever it is, just do that one small thing. Because greatness isn't built in a day. Greatness is built daily. One stroke at a time, one step at a time, 1% at a time. And one day when you look back, you'll be amazed to see that all those tiny, seemingly insignificant steps have created the giant leap you always dreamed of. Remember, big success is nothing more than small improvements, done consistently. Your 1% today is the foundation for your 100% tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If this story resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more stories that can help change your life, one step at a time. We'll see you in the next video.